In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Smartsheet password. If you've forgotten your password or you're simply unable to sign in, don't worry. The reset process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get back into your account without confusion. To begin, go to the Smartsheet login page. Make sure you're on the official sign in screen before moving forward. This is where you would normally enter your account details, but since you need to recover access, you'll use the password reset option instead. Once you're on the login page, click on Forgot Password. This link is usually located near the sign-in fields. Selecting it will take you to the password recovery page where you can start the reset process. Next, enter the email address linked to your account. Be sure to type the same email you normally use for Smartsheet. If you have more than one email address, take a moment to confirm you're using the correct one because the reset instructions will be sent there. After entering it, submit the request to continue. Now, check your email for the password reset link. This message may arrive within a few moments, but in some cases, it can take a little longer. If you don't see it right away, check your spam, junk, or promotions folder as well. It's also a good idea to make sure there weren't any typing mistakes in the email address you entered. When the reset email arrives, open the reset link. This link will take you to a secure page where you can choose a new password for your account. If the link doesn't open properly, try copying and pasting it into your browser or request a new reset email if the original one has expired. On the password reset page, create a new password. Choose something strong but memorable. A good password typically combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing old passwords or choosing something too easy to guess. This helps keep your account more secure going forward. After you've set the new password, return to the login page and log in again using the new password. Enter your email address, type in the updated password, and sign in as usual. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Smartsheet password and regained access to your account.